Welcome, I'm Dr. Melina Roberts and I want to talk about the kidneys. Now, the kidneys along with the liver are your body's major detoxification organs. So anytime that toxins come in, the liver and the kidneys are working away to help filter them and then move that toxic load out. Now, the kidneys work more with the fluids of the body. And so I want to go through 5 signs that your kidneys are out of balance. So the kidneys work in terms of filtering out toxins that are in the fluids, in the blood of the body. And what happens is that if you're experiencing any sort of fluid issues in the body, then this can tell us that there is a potential that the kidneys are out of balance. So if you're experiencing fluid retention, edema, swollen ankles or feet, or even like puffiness in the eyes, these can be signs that the kidneys are out of balance. So the kidneys also play a big role in the urinary tract. So if you're having any urinary issues, this may be related to the kidney function. So if you're experiencing any sort of bladder infections, if you're experiencing any sort of urinary issues in terms of the flow, the color of the urine, if you're waking up frequently in the night to go to the washroom, this may be related to the kidneys. And it's also in terms of how that urine looks. If you're getting bubbling of that urine, or if you're getting a lot of discharge in the urine, and this can be really signs that the kidneys are out of balance, anything related to the urinary tract. Now, another sign that you may be having kidney issues if you are experiencing sluggishness or tiredness in the day, because the kidneys are actually working constantly to help move toxins out of the body. And if those kidneys are overloaded, that can lead to you feeling sluggish or tired in the day because the body can't keep up with that toxic load. And so toxins are building up in your system. So this can be a sign that the kidneys are out of balance. Another sign can be that there's some inflammatory issues going on with the kidneys. And this can happen in terms of pain. So sometimes you can have some pain or some achiness in the lower back. And you may think it's back related or muscle or joint related, but it can be related to the kidneys. And sometimes that can lead into also having some achiness in the legs. Achiness or soreness in the legs can be some inflammation happening within the kidneys. Now, another sign that the kidneys may be out of balance can be if you have any sort of skin issues. Now, the liver and the kidneys are your body's primary organs of detoxification. Now, if they're not working at optimal capacity, then your body will move toxins out through our secondary organs of detoxification, which is often the skin, because the skin's the largest organ. So sometimes when we see stuff showing up on the skin, it may be related to the kidneys. So usually it'll be an itchy rash that'll show up, and that'll be related to kidney function. So these are 5 signs that the kidneys may be out of balance and that you may be needing to explore the function of the kidneys. All right, so thank you so much for listening. I encourage you to share this information with your friends and family, to press the like button, to make a comment below, and until next time, continue to learn, grow, and build health.